Challenge with Shreya. So all the days you have been seeing me in my home. Today I am in Mumbai, and when I am in Mumbai, you know what I need to do. The street food of Mumbai is so famous and I cannot resist exploring it. So today I am in Santa Cruz and I'll be exploring the street food of Santa Cruz under ₹100. So let's just get started with today's video.
So the first place that we visited in Santa Cruz was the Anand Dosa Center. It's located near Podar Complex and it has lot of varieties of dosas and is particularly famous for its spicy and tasty dosas. So here I have ordered the Szechuan cheese dosa.
Close till I get up. Time is.
So right now we have dosa, which is the Szechuan cheese dosa from Anand Dosa Center. As you can see, we have a layer of cheese along with Szechuan. There are capsicum and also we have lot of coriander leaves in it. And we have two chutneys right here. One is the green chutney, another we have red chutney. The first bite of it. So first I'm trying the red chutney. So the dosa that we have is crispy, although it has become a bit soggy, but the taste of Szechuan sauce is very evident and also it's cheesy. The red chutney that I had adds a lot of flavor to it. And now I'm gonna try it with the green chutney. The green chutney has coconut in it and also the taste of Szechuan and coconut makes a great combination. So I just love this dosa.
I totally love the taste of it. It's a must try. Now let's move on to second destination. So we are here at Tasty Bites, famous for its roll.
So the second destination that we have is Tasty Bites and they are having a lot of variety in rolls. So I have the cheese roll right here and let's have the first bite. The filling of this is quite heavy. We have a lot of cheese, then we have onion, and inside it we have a lot of gravy. As you can just see, it has the taste of Punjabi and also it has a lot of paneer, so it tastes like paneer tikka. You get a lot of quantity and it's quite filling as well. So I just love the taste. It's creamy due to cheese.
The roll is quite filling and it has a lot of flavors due to cheese and paneer. Also it's enough for one person and the quantity is really good for the consideration of price. It's really flavorful and now let's head on to the third destination. The third place that we visited in Santa Cruz was the Santa Cruz Juice Center. So basically they are known for their juices and sandwiches. So I ordered a veg sandwich for myself, as you can just see.
Now the third destination that we are at is the Santa Cruz Juice Station. So here I have taken the veg sandwich. So as you can just see, it's loaded with lots of butter. Inside we have tomatoes and then we have cucumber inside, and it also has beetroot, and here we have green chutney along with it. So let's have the first bite of this veg sandwich. So I'm using the green chutney. The green chutney is made of coriander leaves and it adds a lot of taste.
The taste was really fresh for this sandwich and also the masala that they have added with the veggies added lot of flavors, and of course the bun on the top is just amazing. Although it is just like a normal veg sandwich, it was really good and flavorful. Now comes the fourth destination and the food item that I'm going to have. Of course, you can see the vada pav. If I cover Mumbai street food and I don't have vada pav, I have missed out on a lot of things. So as you can see, the vada is quite huge, even bigger than the pav, and it's loaded with red chutney and green chutney as well.
And now here I have the most famous dish of Mumbai, which is vada pav, and it's piping hot. And the vada is so huge, as you can just see. Look at the size of vada. And they also give this green chili, as we have a tradition of that. And now I'm just gonna have a bite of it, and let's just see how it tastes. The vada is not so spicy, although the red and green chutney adds flavor to it, but the vada is just medium, not so spicy. And let's have another bite of this. It has a lot of garlic and ginger in it, which is adding a lot of flavors into it. And overall, it's a good one, especially the size is huge compared to the price. So yeah.
And with this iconic dish of Mumbai, I'm just ending this video right here. I'll be seeing you guys with more food items in my next video.